I'm Jagjit Chadha. I hold the chair in Money and Banking at the University of Kent, where I'm Professor of Economics. And earlier this year, I was appointed as the Mercer School Memorial Professor of Commerce at Gresham College for the next 3 years. My first set of lectures at Gresham will be called Money, Monetary Policy and Central Banks, the meeting of art and science. I'm going to try and cover probably far too much in this lecture series. In the first year, I'm going to talk about money, the origins of paper money, the linking of money to commodities such as gold and silver, which happened for most of what we might call human history, and most recently the delinking of money from gold to a fiat standard where the value of money is set by the acts and deeds of government. We're going to think about the change in the role of money, where it started off, of course, as a means of payment, a unit of account or a medium of exchange, and how over time and through the progress of civilization, money itself was seen as a way of controlling the economy and offsetting the shocks that occur from time to time. The topics I'm covering are important because they reflect the national debate as we think about the increase of income per head and the extent to which a government may want to think about plans to offset undue volatility in incomes per head. The use of monetary instruments such as the short-term interest rate or the injection of money into the economy, and fiscal policy indeed, the changing of government plans over tax and expenditure over the business cycle, have a tremendously important impact on household budgets and the ability of households to consume and save over time. I think what's most exciting is the chance I'm going to have to try and get the ideas that occupy our times in university seminar rooms and behind closed doors at places like the Bank of England, the European Central Bank, the Federal Reserve, indeed the Bank for International Settlements, out in the public domain. And by that, I don't mean the exact deliberations that are now ongoing about what interest rates should be, but more the deep ideas and concepts that are continually being discussed in these organisations and in university corridors. And I want to increase the level and scope of the debate more generally for the public. Hopefully, and it's a heroic hope perhaps, that they will enjoy listening to stories that I will tell about the origins of money, but also episodes in monetary history, such as in 1797, where practically overnight the pound sterling was delinked from gold, and how over time the policymakers decided how to deal with this problem. The debates and discussions had there were strongly influential in what came to be known as the development of British monetary orthodoxy, which is still very much in place today when we think about the Treasury view and the ideas of austerity and the ideas of sound money. So I hope that people who come to my series of lectures will go away with a deeper understanding of where these ideas that are still in common currency today have come from.